My name's Josh and I'm studying business management. So the main reason why I chose Swansea University was for Bay Campus. I came down on an open day, took a look around at all of the facilities the university has to offer, and it really blew me away. It made me think that this is the place that I want to come and get my degree. I think the best thing about my course is that I can tailor my modules to what I want to study. So for example, when I was in second year I was applying for marketing placements, so I mainly chose marketing modules, whereas this year I'm looking to potentially go into consulting, so I'm looking at other modules instead, and the flexibility allows me to do that. So I did my placement with RMP Enterprise and I was a marketing assistant. So basically this meant that I helped them with all of their offline and online marketing campaigns throughout the year. Really, it all began with a lecture from the careers service. They sat everyone in the year group down, talked us through the benefits of doing a placement, and really sold us why we should go on it. From there, I started to apply for placement schemes, again using the help of the careers service to help me prepare my CV, a cover letter, as well as also preparing me for interview techniques, which is really great help that I probably wouldn't have been able to get anywhere else. From there, it's on to assessment centres. Again, these can be a little bit daunting, but thanks to the help from the careers service, I felt well prepared for them. And from there, you get the phone call as to whether you get the job or not. So after graduating, I'm currently looking into doing a graduate scheme, whether that be in marketing or consultancy, but I'm looking for an opportunity in London.